Hey, y'all know what time it is. Welcome back to the channel. We are doing the stereo install on the Miata today. So we got a doubled in. It's a Pioneer. Looks pretty nice. Opened it already. You know I had to. Couldn't resist. It's the it's Apple CarPlay compatible. Has Wave, Spotify, Pandora, Sirius XM ready. USB plus aux. Do the color customizations on it. Dual phone connection. Steering wheel control ready. We're looking good. So boom, right on top, you have the wire. Came with a wire harness. This is a microphone. We have some bolts. We also have a remote. This is gonna run the doubled in. So this is actually my first remote radio. I never had a remote radio before. Stay downy, you gotta stay gain. Stay fresh at all times, basically is what I'm saying. Let's get back to this. So we have a power cord. Well, I don't know if it's a power cord, but it's like a USB cord. And then we have the doubled in inside of the plastic casing. So here we go. You ready? Wow. So this is the doubled in we got. Boom. It's pretty nice, pretty nice. Looks pretty good. Boom. Nice little Pioneer, so when I'm riding around, I can get some display, a little light up, a little extra lighting in the car, because the Miata obviously is drop top. Doesn't come with an inside light. Well, the 90s don't. And you guys just seen the doubled in, what came in the box. We also got some speakers for the car. Kickers, as you guys can see, some kicker speakers. Yeah. Haven't opened them yet. My boy is coming over in a little bit. He's gonna be the one that's gonna really be doing the install. I'm just filming it. He's actually gonna teach me a few things because he does this all the time. And I've never done a radio, so to be safe, I'm gonna let him guide the wheel, and then I'm gonna learn. Maybe later on in another car, I might do my own radio, boom, 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 show y'all. But for today, we got the good install coming for you guys, so stay tuned.
So right now, he's disassembling the center console. We're gonna go ahead and get the stock radio out, so then we can go ahead and identify which type of harness that we're going to need to go ahead and apply for the new radio. And once we do that, we should be in the game.
I only ever took this off when I had to install the lights, and I didn't get this far. Oh, did it?
Yeah, the tombstone should go.
Oh, come on, the good thing is you know how to do it.
Oh, yeah. But the thing is
what you see? It's a clip. Oh shit! Please don't break my shit, you little fucker.
well,
You broke it, huh?
tombstone, bro. Yeah.
Thanks a lot. It's okay. It's okay. Shout out to Jay Fresh.
We got you. I don't know how this got in there though.
Who knows? It's crazy. It's a 1990. We seeing crazy right now. Well, this is off. So now we can go ahead and deal with this damn radio, because, oh, we're going to have to cut this too. Oh, we're going to have to unscrew this right here. These two bolts, I'll go ahead and do that right now. I know, I broke it.
Yeah.
I was trying to take off our oil cap because it was all messed up, and then the oil cap, yeah, it was raggedy. You have no idea, it was bad.
Yeah, let me get my two.
Want me to do it?
Now it only spins.
You want me to spin?
Yeah, right here, cracked.
That's good, man. Appreciate you, coach.
It's looking real different in there, huh? The OEM radio ugly. It's a real tape deck. Like it's trash.
That shit legendary.
It is. It still works, but it's just like, bro, like you don't understand my sound quality, man. Bro, you don't understand the sound quality. Like, bro, the sound quality is haha. Well, that's out. You guys can see that that's out.
Gone.
What we need? Ooh.
There we go.
Okay, we need that one. So we take it. So we need to go pick this up from AutoZone, as you guys can see. Well, an adapter. So let's go.
Do you have that key?
Yeah. What you see over here? What you under my hood? Don't you look?
Got no turbo. That's what I don't see. I'll tell you that much.
You don't see a turbo?
I don't see a turbo.
Not yet. It'll be here.
Cool.
In 1, 2.
You like my pants?
Ugly ass. They thought nothing happened. She's still here, just like this. Stock daddy. Oh my god, everything fell out of my pocket.
Oh my god.
Bad day in America.
We are fucking it up. Yeah. You see the lights? You see the lights? You got a little mood in here. It's crazy in here. It's different. It's really different. We in the game, man. It's really crazy out here.
Should we buy a hatch? EK hatch. What are you doing? What you got? You got the radio? Oh, he got the work install. Okay, I see you. You came through with the work install, Chico. I see you. How long you been doing this? What'd you say?
Since high school.
Oh, he said he do this. Hey, Jay Fresh, you missing on the install. You better come learn something. He doing his thing over here. He burnt up my whole interior. It's gone. No, but he doing it if you want to come learn, because he wanted to learn how to solder. So he was like,
Oh.
Yeah, I need that.
oh, we are in the game, coach. It is affirmative. The pioneers are connected, and we're looking hot. We got settings. No, Espanol. No. I see you trying to, yeah. No. We looking good. We're looking good. So this is with the old speakers right now. It's plugged in. How you feeling?
Bro, shit, fire.
Fucking with it? That is the stock speaker right there. Shot. So we have just, discovered these are from the 1990. Like, what is this? You tell me. I don't understand. It's ridiculous. It is ridiculous. This shit boof. It was, I ain't gonna lie. It was working. But that shit is real mediocre. So we have to do some DIYing on this damn speaker because they sent us something that is literally a little too big, but it still fits. So I'm trying to not have my car look suspect, and I want to do it right. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this shit off.
Already cut one. There you go. Had to get the autofocus. There you go. Right, we got everybody in the frame. We in the game. So we just wanted to let you guys know we did go ahead and finish the radio. Shout out to our team. We definitely went in here. We did it. Knocked it out. Killed it today.
Yeah, it's looking good, honestly. We're gonna put some clips now.
Bro, it's really a party. You got the strober.
Don't want to get copyrighted. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys another song that we won't get copyrighted on. So you guys can see how it sounds. Also got the remote. And I be on that road like, hey. Y'all like that? New double game.